Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween decorations available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Dromance Halloween Decor. There is a on-off timer 3-way slide switch at each candle bottom. Once the timer is set, cycle every 24 hours. This Halloween flickering flameless candles made by real wax with LED flickering. At number 3 we have Lycanny Halloween Decoration. The Halloween window decal stickers are decorated in different designs. These window clings have double-side patterns, that means that you can see these Easter window clings when you stick them on the window, no matter indoor or outdoor. The window stickers are easy to peel off without residue, and will not damage the window. At number 2 we have Blisso Halloween Decoration. This 70.4-inch Halloween ghost decorations come with highly realistic skull glow. And flash eyes comes with alternating colors of red, green and blue, a long yellow gown floating in the wind. That helps you create creepy and scary scene for any Halloween events. At number 1 we have Sam Dre Halloween Decoration. This outdoor skull decoration features on 100 LED include 10 flickering lights, which creates a glowing nighttime atmosphere. This can also add a warm feeling on the horrible Halloween atmosphere. This 2.65 FD outdoor lighted skull is made of a durable metal of a frame, and covered in hand-sewn tinsel fabrics that comes with a lovely look. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween decoration for your need.